Are plant-based proteins as effective as animal proteins? Welcome to Organic Foods Ghana, your trusted channel for all things natural health and organic living. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that's been widely debated in nutrition circles. Are plant-based proteins as effective as animal proteins? Stick around as we explore this question from 10 critical perspectives. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and share your thoughts below as we unravel the truth about plant-based proteins. 1. Protein quality: complete versus incomplete proteins. One of the most common arguments is about protein quality. Animal proteins, such as those found in meat, eggs, and dairy, are considered complete proteins because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in the right proportions for the human body. Plant-based proteins, on the other hand, are often labeled incomplete because many lack one or more essential amino acids. However, this argument can be addressed by eating a variety of plant-based proteins. For example, combining rice and beans or pairing whole grains with legumes ensures a complete amino acid profile. While individual plant proteins may not always be complete, a diverse plant-based diet can provide all the essential amino acids needed for optimal health. 2. Bioavailability: how well is the protein absorbed? Bioavailability refers to how well your body can digest and utilize protein. Animal proteins tend to have higher bioavailability due to their amino acid composition. For instance, whey protein derived from milk is a highly bioavailable protein source. Plant proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa may be slightly less bioavailable due to the presence of anti-nutrients like phytates and lectins, which can inhibit absorption. However, cooking, fermenting, or sprouting these foods reduces anti-nutrients and improves absorption. Plant proteins may require proper preparation to match the bioavailability of animal proteins, but they can still be highly effective. 3. Muscle building and recovery. When it comes to building and repairing muscle, many people believe animal proteins are superior due to their higher leucine content, an amino acid critical for muscle protein synthesis. However, studies show that plant proteins like soy and pea protein can support muscle building when consumed in adequate amounts. Combining plant proteins to create a balanced amino acid profile is key for athletes or individuals looking to maximize muscle recovery. While animal proteins may have an edge in leucine content, plant-based proteins can be just as effective with strategic combinations. 4. Health benefits beyond protein. Plant-based proteins often come with added health benefits. For example, fiber. Lentils, beans, and seeds are rich in fiber, which supports digestion and heart health. Antioxidants and phytochemicals. Found in plant proteins, these compounds reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Animal proteins, while rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and iron, are often high in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can contribute to heart disease if consumed in excess. Plant-based proteins provide more than just protein. They come with a package of nutrients that promote overall health. 5. Weight management. For those looking to manage their weight, plant-based proteins have a significant advantage due to their lower calorie density and higher fiber content. Fiber increases satiety, helping you feel full longer, which can aid in weight control. Animal proteins are effective for weight loss as well, especially high-protein, low-carb diets like keto. However, these diets may lack the fiber and phytonutrients that plant-based diets offer. Both plant-based and animal proteins can support weight management, but plant proteins offer additional benefits like higher fiber and lower calorie density. 6. Sustainability and environmental impact. Beyond personal health, the environmental impact of our food choices is critical. Animal protein production requires more land, water, and energy than plant protein production. Additionally, livestock farming contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and soy require far fewer resources and have a lower carbon footprint, making them a sustainable choice for individuals concerned about the environment. For environmentally conscious individuals, plant-based proteins are the more sustainable and ethical choice. 7. Digestive health and tolerance. Some people struggle with digesting animal proteins due to lactose intolerance, food sensitivities, or a heavy reliance on red and processed meats, which can cause gastrointestinal issues. Plant-based proteins are easier to digest for many individuals, especially when properly prepared. However, some people may experience bloating from legumes or soy if consumed in large quantities without soaking or cooking them thoroughly. Plant-based proteins can be gentler on the digestive system for most people, provided they are prepared properly. 8. Cost and accessibility. Plant-based proteins are often more affordable and accessible than animal proteins, especially in regions like Ghana, where staples like beans, lentils, and groundnuts are readily available. Animal proteins, while nutrient-dense, can be costly, especially when considering ethically sourced or organic options. In addition, plant-based proteins have a longer shelf life and are easier to store. For individuals on a budget, plant-based proteins offer a cost-effective and nutrient-dense alternative to animal proteins. 9. Longevity and disease prevention. Numerous studies link plant-based diets to longer lifespans and a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. This benefit is partially due to the quality of plant-based proteins and their accompanying nutrients, like fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. Animal proteins, particularly red and processed meats, have been associated with higher risks of certain diseases, such as colorectal cancer and cardiovascular issues, when consumed in excess. Plant-based proteins contribute to long-term health and longevity, making them a smart choice for disease prevention. 10. Versatility in cooking and lifestyle. Plant-based proteins are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, and nuts can be incorporated into a variety of traditional Ghanaian dishes, from stews to porridges. While animal proteins are also versatile, they often require refrigeration and specific storage conditions. Plant proteins, being non-perishable in many cases, are easier to store and use over time. Plant-based proteins are versatile and fit seamlessly into a variety of cooking styles, making them practical for many lifestyles. Final thoughts. So, are plant-based proteins as effective as animal proteins? The answer is a resounding yes. With proper planning and preparation, plant-based proteins can meet all your nutritional needs, promote overall health, and even outperform animal proteins in certain aspects, like sustainability and disease prevention. Comment below with your thoughts. Do you prefer plant-based proteins, animal proteins, or a mix of both? Share where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe to Organic Foods Ghana. Let's build a community dedicated to healthy, sustainable, and organic living.